Every day, millions of people waste hours doing repetitive computer tasks, writing emails, updating spreadsheets, completing forms. But there's a simple tool that can automate all of it. It's called Zapier, a platform that connects your favorite apps so work happens automatically in the background. For example, here's a simple demonstration. We'll create an automation that automatically saves any files you receive as an attachment to your Google Drive folder, so nothing gets lost and there's no need to download or upload files manually. So, first we choose Gmail as the trigger, and then select New Attachment as the trigger event. This means that each time an email with a file arrives, Zapier starts the automation. And then, under the Configure tab, select Inbox as the mailbox. Next, we need to choose Google Drive as the action, and then select Upload File as the action event. This means Zapier will take the file from any new email and automatically upload it to your Google Drive. Then, we move over to the Configure tab. Here, under Drive, you select your Google Drive. Then under Folder, select the destination folder where your files will be saved. In this case, it's set to Demo Uploads. Next, under File, choose Attachment from Gmail. This tells Zapier exactly which file to upload from each new email. Then set Convert to Document to False, so the file keeps its original format, like a PDF, image, or spreadsheet. Below that, for the file name field, you can select Attachment File Name. This will automatically pull the attachment's original name from Gmail when saving the file, and file extension can be left blank. Once everything looks correct, click Continue to test your automation and see if it works. Zapier should instantly transfer the attachment from any new email to Google Drive, just like this. After you are done testing the automation, the Zap can then be published and turned on, meaning from now on, every email with a file is saved automatically. No manual downloads, no uploads, just instant organization. This simple Zap shows how Zapier can turn repetitive, mindless work into a system that runs itself, freeing time for tasks that actually matter. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe so you don't miss what's coming next.